In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-archive emails in Outlook. We're going to set up an automatic rule in Outlook on the web, so certain emails skip your inbox and go straight to your archive folder. This keeps your inbox clean without deleting anything, and you can still search and find those messages later. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook, then click the official Outlook website to open your mailbox. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign in to your account so you land in your inbox. Once you're in Outlook, look to the upper right corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where Outlook keeps most customization options. In the panel that opens, go to the Mail section to see settings that affect how your email behaves. From there, select Rules. Rules let you tell Outlook what to do with messages automatically, based on conditions you choose. Click Add New Rule to start creating one. Give your rule a clear name so you'll recognize it later, like Auto Archive from Sender. Naming helps you manage multiple rules over time. Now add a condition. Choose the option for From, which tells Outlook to look at who sent the message. Then add the sender you want to auto-archive. You can type an email address or select from your contacts. If you prefer, you can refine this later with other conditions like subject keywords. But for this setup, we'll stick with From, so it's straightforward. Next, add an action. This is what Outlook will do when your condition is met. Choose Move To, then pick the Archive folder. Archive is perfect for messages you don't need in your inbox but want to keep. It's different from Delete. Archived emails remain safe and searchable, and they won't clutter your main view. When everything looks right, click Save. Your rule is now active. New messages that match your condition will automatically move to Archive as they arrive. If you don't see it working right away, double-check the sender name or address you entered and make sure the rule is turned on. Also keep in mind that rules typically apply to new incoming emails. Existing messages won't move unless you handle them separately. That's it. Your auto-archive workflow is in place. You can return to rules anytime to edit the conditions, change the action, or rename the rule. If you have multiple rules, remember they run in order, so keep this one positioned appropriately. Enjoy a cleaner inbox with less manual sorting and more focus on the messages that matter.